very late. Yeah, I usually hear him come in. Wait, did I hear something? Phoebe! Phoebe! Fizzy, down here! Down here! Ah, nah. Fizzy! Fizzy! Down here! Aha! I know! Oh no! It's a ghost! Fizzy, quick, come help! Oh, wait, Mario! It's you! Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Oh no, Mario! What happened? Did you turn into slime? No! Oh no! Is it because of that jelly belly? Nope. Oh, I know! You ate another one of those blue mushrooms, didn't you? Thank you, Bowser! You just lit my new candle! It smells delicious! Bowser! You're behind this, aren't you?
Well, I was bored, so I thought that we could play a game.
I've got an idea! Turn Mario back and we can make something super cool!
Like what?
We could make squishies!
Nah.
We could do Mario versus Bowser!
A competition? All right, deal. Ha!
Yay, Mario, you're back! Awesome sauce!
Come on, Phoebe. Let's go make those squishies.
All right!
Mamma mia! This looks awesome! But how does it work?
Well, first, we need some help. Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey, Fizzy and Phoebe. Hey, everyone. Whoa, squishies, my favorite. How can I help?
We're doing a Mario versus Bowser squishy challenge. Could you help?
Of course I can, Fizzy. Who's our first?
Mario!
All right, well, first up, we need to put in 1 scoop of our magical squishy powder. Next up, let's put in this pretty red glitter. This is gonna look awesome.
Oh, Miss Hands!
Yes, Phoebe?
Could we add some blue glitter to make it look like Mario?
Of course we can. I've got these super cool blue heart confetti. Let's go ahead, put some of them in. Oh, this is gonna look awesome. All right, what else would you like, Mario? Oh, I think I'd like some pink confetti to remind me of my favorite, Peach. What a great idea. All right, I found these pink peach-like hearts. Aren't they beautiful? All right, let's go ahead and sprinkle those in. Wow. Hey, Mario. Yes, Miss Hands? What about these super cool, different colored foam balls? Wow, they look awesome! Let's put them in. All right, here we go. This is gonna look so colorful. Let's make it even more colorful with these super colorful, sparkly stars. Pop some in there. Whoa, that's a lot of stars. And let's finish it off with this super cool Super Mario sticker. Look, Mario, you're flying. Whoa, let's fly you in. Perfect. Now to fill it up, tie it up, and see what it looks like. Wow, look how awesome Mario Squishy is. It is super duper sparkly and whoa, so squishy. What do you think, Mario? Woohoo! I love it! It's so sparkly and super squishy. Thanks, Miss Hands, for all your help. All right, Bowser, it's your turn.
At last! Move over, Mario. This is going to be the most powerful squishy in all of the kingdom. Ha 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 ha! All right, that's it.
Bowser, stop! Fizzy! Fizzy, quick, help! Uh-oh, time for some fizzy magic! Fizzy, whizzy, bobbity bop!
Wow, it's beautiful. Oh, thanks, Fizzy and Phoebe.
Wow, it's got so much color! Oh, I love it! It's super sparkly and squishy too!
Wait, does this mean that he's won?
It's not all about the winning.
Wait, it isn't?
No, silly! It's about being proud of what you make!
Well, I am proud.
I'm prouder.
Look at how amazing both your squishies are! Uh-oh! Mario fell over! Mario, are you alright?
Whoa! Yeah, I'm all right, Phoebe. You're right. We both did amazing.
Yeah, I guess so. You did well, Mario.
That's the spirit, Bowser! Now, if we leave you to both travel home together, do you promise not to use any more power-ups?
Well, promise is a strong word.
Please, Bowser.
Oh, all right, I promise.
Yay!